Chris Cinnamon here. Thanks for checking out this video. It was recorded in front of a full house during my 2024 Summer Qigong Workshop. For more, be sure to subscribe to our channel and please like, comment, and share this video. It helps spread the word about the powerful benefits and fun of what I teach.
So now, vertical circles plus 𝗏𝗏. First, let's set up a neutral posture. Feet parallel, under the hips. Knees unlocked. Feel that lower back, relax the tailbone down. Ooh. Come up to your abdomen. Open it. Create some space inside of you. Then continue that gentle lifting up the spine to the occiput. Release the shoulders. Let the chest sink and the back open up as you maintain your structure. Now, extend your hands to the front of your vertical circle. Now, I encourage you initially to keep it small. So sink into a small 𝗏 squat, circle down and back. Press into the floor, stretch up, circle up and out. Sink into a 𝗏 squat, circle down and back. Stretch up through the 𝗏, circle up and out. So a Qigong principle and the 𝗙cie principle is that we aim for increasingly connected whole body movement. In particular in 𝗙cie, we aim to power and control that movement with the legs and the waist. So follow me to the back of your circle. And pause. Now feel how the stretching up from the 𝗏 squat can help elevate and extend your arms and hands. How sinking into the 𝗏 squat helps draw them down and back. Stretch up through the legs to extend the arms and hands. Sink into the legs to circle down and back. And the more you get a sense of how the legs and hips can power the arms here, the more you can relax your shoulders. And they're moving, but you can keep them soft as they move. And that's going to help you release tension in an area that in many of us is chronically tense. And in Qigong theory, that's going to help you move more qi up and down your arms. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. Bending to the back of the circle. Stretching to the front. Nice. That's the idea. All right, follow me, please. Come to the front of your circle. Now note, you're lightly stretching out the arms and you're lightly stretching up the legs. There can be a tendency to get out of phase and bend in the legs and stretch the legs and bend the arms. So you feel for that. And then just get back to here. Bend everything to the back of the circle. Lightly stretch everything to the front. There you go. All right, from the front of your circle, exhale, release down your body. Inhale. Exhale, release from the top of your head down your feet, below your feet if you can. Release down. From the top of your head, release down. And let's play around with that a little bit. So What I suggest you do is turn up the volume on the release. Release more. How do you do that? With your intent, not with force. You don't force release. Feel if you can release down a little more strongly. Release down. And then turn down the volume of the release a bit. Just release a little more softly. So you're beginning to play around with that. Vary it with your intent, which you can. Release down. Release down. Aiming for increasingly smooth, connected, relaxed, whole body movement. One more. Come to the back of your circle, smoothly back to neutral.